Everyone talks about lowering carbs, but one of the most powerful ways to lower insulin has nothing to do with what you eat. It's when you stop eating. Today's BioHack Thursday is about the simplest insulin lowering strategy most people overlook and why it works. If you're trying to lose weight, reduce inflammation, or improve metabolic health, this matters more than you think. And if this resonates, I just posted a deeper video explaining insulin resistance that you'll want to watch next. Insulin is a storage hormone, and every time we eat, it rises. If it never gets a chance to come down, fat burning stays turned off. Many people think they're eating low carb, but they're eating all day long, and that can keep insulin elevated. The simplest strategy: stop eating earlier. Create a longer overnight fast. You don't need extremes, you don't need perfection, you just need a window where insulin can fall. Even adding 12 hours, then 13, then 14 can dramatically improve metabolic flexibility. Your body finally gets time to access stored fat, lower insulin, and improve sensitivity. Insulin resistance doesn't happen overnight. It develops when insulin stays elevated for years. The body stops responding, so the pancreas makes more. And this is the phase where people say, I'm eating less, but nothing's changing. That's insulin resistance. If you feel like you are doing everything right, but the scale won't move, or your labs are normal, but something feels off, you need to understand insulin resistance. I just posted a full video explaining what it is, how it starts, and how to reverse it. Watch that next. It'll connect all the dots. I'll see you tomorrow.